Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you've probably spent countless hours searching for the perfect way to build a real online income only to end up overwhelmed, disappointed, or stuck in that endless cycle of trying and hoping. I get it. The truth is, making money online only becomes real when you have something of value to sell, and that's exactly why I had to share this with you today, because what I found completely removes the hardest part of the process. It's called the Kids Story Vault, and honestly, it's one of the most impressive ready-to-sell packages I've ever come across. Inside, you get 400 fully finished kids' storybooks. Yes, 400 all written, all designed, all packaged, and all ready for you to sell immediately. We're talking bedtime stories, fairy tales, moral lessons, funny adventures, educational stories, pretty much every type of story parents and teachers are already searching for. And here's where it gets even better. You don't just get the books, you get full private label rights. That means you can rename them, rebrand them, bundle them, turn them into collections, sell them individually, or even use them as bonuses to boost your affiliate commissions. They're basically your products from day one, and every dollar you earn goes straight into your pocket. What I love most is how beginner-friendly this is. No writing, no designing, no guessing what might sell. Kids' stories are an evergreen market, and parents, grandparents, and educators are constantly looking for fresh content. With this vault, you're stepping into a niche that's already booming, with products already in demand. So instead of spending months trying to create something from scratch, imagine having an entire library of 400 stories ready to go within minutes. If you've been wanting to finally take the leap into selling digital products, this might just be the easiest way to get started. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.